In this video, we will demonstrate how to create and print check in ChequeSystem software. To create a new check, start by selecting the desired checkbook on the left-hand side of the screen. Click the new check icon at the top to initiate the creation of a new check. A pop-up window will let you input check details. Check number is auto-generated from a predefined sequence, but can be changed by clicking the edit icon next to it. To set the check date, simply click on the calendar icon and choose the appropriate date from the calendar view. Fill in the payee's name manually, or you may load it from the payee list if available, by clicking the icon next to it. Enter the check amount in the designated field. The software will automatically generate the amount in words. Depending on the specific check layout, you may have additional options to mark the check as account payee only, or other relevant designations. The field's particulars and audit code are meant for accounting purposes and internal use only. They will not be printed on the check. The remarks field is intended for internal notes and comments. A preview of the check details will be displayed at the bottom of the screen for your review. After checking the details, click the print icon at the top of the screen to print the check with your printer. After printing, the check will be saved and marked as printed within the software. Optionally, you can create a voucher associated to the check by clicking the Payment Voucher button at the top. This demonstrates the simple process of creating and printing a check. Thank you for watching our how-to video.